that good for everybody?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm very excited to be here with you guys today because we are going to continue the lesson on magnetism that you guys started a few weeks ago. So can anyone tell me anything they remember about the magnet lesson that Miss Lang taught you? Yes, Leo?
A magnet makes a magnetic field
Yes.
that
That is exactly right. Good memory. Yes, Emmy?
magnets that have the same poles will reject each other.
Exactly. And then what do you think like poles do?
They attract.
Good. Exactly. Yes, Joshua?
That if like some magnets, some metals don't attract magnets. Like not all metal attracts magnets.
Yes, very true, and how there's some natural magnets in the world that do act as magnets. It's very true. Yes. Yes,
The Earth is a magnet.
true, very true. Okay, you guys know a ton of information, so this review will go very quickly. But what I first want to do is go over our learning objectives for the day, just so we can all have a clear understanding of where we're headed and what I hope at the end of this you guys will be able to take away. So I would love it. Can you guys read these with me so we can all learn what we're going to do today? Okay, so if you want to follow along, we are going to review what a magnet is and how a magnetic field is created. Learn how the world is like a giant magnet and determine where the magnetic poles are located on a world map. And build a compass and investigate how this helps us better understand magnetism in the world. Wonderful, you guys. So did all those sound accomplishable? Do you think we can learn those at the end of today?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. So again, we are going to review, but you guys seem like you were very well versed in the lessons before. But if you take a look at your desk, is a worksheet. And so as I go through this presentation, there's going to be blanks in different statements and definitions. And so you are going to fill those in. And so I hopefully made it as easy as I could for you guys. So everything that's bolded is what should be filled in the empty lines. And so this is just a way for you guys to begin to learn how to be good note takers and just kind of allow you to see what's an important part of the presentation that I think you guys should remember. So if we want to do the first one together, so I will read a magnet has how many ends? Two, good. And then where would you fill that in on the blank? And so if you guys want to do that right now, and so that's kind of going to be the structure of today. So as I'm reading along, if you guys want to be following along with what I'm reading and filling in those empty spaces on the note-taking card. Does that sound like something everybody can do? Can I see a thumbs up? Is that perfect? Okay, and if I'm going too fast or too slow, let me know so I can meet the pace of you guys. Okay, so to review, like you guys were saying, a magnet has two ends, and these are called poles. One of which is called a north or north-seeking pole, while the other is called a south pole or south-seeking pole. The north pole of one magnet attracts the south pole of a second magnet, like Emmy said, while the north pole of one magnet repels the other magnet's north pole. So we have the common saying, like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Okay, and then a magnet also creates an invisible area, like Dustin said, of magnetism around, and it's called a magnetic field. And so, looking at this picture, can I have one volunteer? Where do you think the magnetic field is located on the diagram below? Yes, Leo?
Right on those pink lines.
Perfect. Do you think it's just those ones in the middle, or do you think it's all the pink purple lines?
All the pink.
Perfect, exactly right. That is the magnetic field that is created between the two magnets. Oh yes, no worries. And then just so I know when you guys are all done, if you want to do eyes up on me so I can gauge and make sure that everyone's finished, writing down when you finished.